Hi guys, uh, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a unboxing of the Lenovo Tab 410. You can see it's completely a packed box. I'm just going to open it now. It's a pretty tight one. So let me use a key to open it. Yeah, this should do it. So now we have the Tab 410 Lenovo, you can see that, and as you can see this is a 2GB 16GB version, Android 7.1.1. So let's see what's inside. So they have some stickers at the back too. We need to tear them apart, open it. So it's a nice sleek box with the tab. You can see it's plastic wrapped. Now this is the device. This is the device you get, and we have the USB cable, we have the adapter, and some documents, as you can see, and that's it. So we don't get any other parts apart from this. So let's open the device. Nicely wrapped. It has a rugged edge at the back, which gives a premium look. And it has two speakers here. Says an IPS HD display, dual front speakers, multi-app user accounts, and Lenovo Kids account. And you can see that's it's a rough, rugged kind of a surface, which actually helps in gripping in these smooth surfaces. So let's see. Yeah, it has a tab called Lenovo. It has the 3.5mm and the charging port, 3.5mm audio jack, mic, and the volume rockers and the power button. So simple design, nothing unique and nothing out of the ordinary. And it has a camera here as well. Thank you guys.